Hey, I'm Mike, and I make money simple. Welcome back to Zero to Wealth, your blueprint for becoming a confident investor. For years, I believed one lie. Investing isn't for people like me. I looked at the stock market and saw rich people throwing around thousands, and I honestly thought I didn't belong. If you've ever felt like you need a huge amount of money to start, or that investing is only for the wealthy, trust me, I've been there. But today, I'm here to show you something powerful. You can start building wealth with just $100. And that $100 is more important than you think, because it starts the clock on compounding, the force that turns small amounts into real wealth. If you learned something new today, hit like, comment below, and let's dive in.
Section 1: Why $100 Works. The Power of Fractional Shares. Biggest hurdle people face isn't market risk, it's the belief that they can't afford to start. But that belief is outdated. Today, thanks to fractional shares, you no longer need $300, $500, or $1,000 to buy a high-quality stock or ETF. If a single share costs $500, your $100 simply buys $100 worth of that share, instantly putting your money to work. Fractional shares remove the barriers that used to shut beginners out. And here's where the magic begins: compounding. This is when your earnings start earning their own earnings. It's how small beginnings become big endings, and why your first $100 matters more than your future thousands. Section 2: Your 2 best beginner paths. When you're starting with a small amount, you need 2 things: low cost and diversification. Forget trying to pick winning stocks. That's how beginners get burned. Instead, choose one of these 2 beginner-friendly paths. Option A: broad market ETFs, the basket approach. An ETF is a single investment that holds hundreds, sometimes thousands, of companies. Think of it like buying one basket that contains the entire US stock market. With fractional shares, your $100 immediately buys a slice of that whole basket. This gives you instant diversification, low risk, a simple, proven strategy. This is the path most wealth builders use. Option B: Robo-Advisors. The set it and forget it approach. If choosing an ETF feels overwhelming, let a robot advisor do it for you. Apps like Betterment, Wealthfront, or M1 Finance, there are many to choose from. Ask a few questions. Build a personalized portfolio. Rebalance automatically. Keep costs low. Your $100 becomes a professionally managed, diversified portfolio, without the stress. This is ideal if you want automation, structure, and a beginner-friendly experience. Section 3: Your 4-step action plan. Your mission today is simple: take action. Step 1. Choose a platform. Pick a low-cost brokerage or robot advisor that supports fractional shares. Choose something simple and beginner-friendly. Step 2. Open and fund your account. Complete the online setup and transfer your first $100. This step alone puts you ahead of most people. Step 3. Make your first investment. Buy a broad market ETF. Or let your robot advisor make the first move. Step 4. Automate consistency. Even $25 to $50 a month is enough. Consistency beats size. Automation beats emotion. Quick answers to your what ifs. But the market is high right now. You'll never know the perfect time. Automation smooths out timing. What about debt? Kill high-interest debt first. But if your debt is manageable, starting with small investments builds discipline. What about an emergency fund? Aim for 3 to 6 months. You can invest small amounts while building it, as long as you stay consistent.
So here's the key takeaway. You don't need a huge pile of cash to begin investing. Your first $100 is the most important step because it starts time working in your favor. My first $100 felt laughable until compounding made it meaningful. If fear is the thing stopping you, borrow my belief until you build your own. Let me ask you, what's the biggest fear or barrier keeping you from making that first $100 investment? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your perspective. The most successful investors don't just follow a strategy, they build a wealth-building mindset. And that's exactly what we're tackling in the next episode. Crash-proof your mindset. This is the episode that will help you stay calm, focus long-term, and avoid panic selling when the market moves. Make sure you subscribe and don't miss the next video. It's one of the most important lessons in the entire series. Like, subscribe and share this with someone who thinks they can't afford to invest. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep your money working for you. I'll see you in the next one.